Good morning, my dear students of class 2. This is your ma'am S.T. Joshi, and I am here again to teach you social studies. Students, do you remember the lesson that we were doing previously? Yes, we were doing the lesson My Body from Unit 1, that's me, My Body, page number 5, and we read that how our body is like a living machine, and it is made up of many big and small parts that work together to help us to live and grow. And these different body parts, some are big, some are small, are known as organs. And some body parts are internal means which you cannot see inside our body, and some are external, which is visible to us and to others, like our eyes, nose, hands. Okay, these are all our external body parts, and we studied about them previously. Now, and we also studied about the brain, the internal organs, the brain, the lungs, the stomach, and the heart. I told you, and I also told you to draw them in your social studies copy. Now today we will do the next part of the lesson, and the part is the sense organs, page number 6, the sense organs, and it is very interesting. Let me read it to you, and you also look into your book, or if you don't have a book, you can watch this video. As you are watching this video, you can also read along. The sense organs. Among the many parts of the body, there are 5 special body parts. There are many parts in our body, okay, many, but there are special 5 parts, okay, special 5 body parts, and they are called sense organs. They are known as sense organs. Let me tell you what are those 5 special body parts. The number 1, we see with our eyes. Number 1 sense organ is our eyes. We see with our eyes. What do you do with your eyes? We see. If we don't have eyes, we will not be able to see. Some people have eyes, but they are blind and they cannot see, and it is very difficult for them, okay, but it's so good, and you should thank God that you have eyes and you can see. So number 1 is our eyes, and we see through our eyes. Number 2 is we hear with our ears. How do we hear? We hear with our ears. It is not HERE here, it is HEAR, okay, HEAR, here, okay. We hear with our ears. What do you see with your ears? No, you hear with our ears, okay. And this is our sense organ number 2. If we don't have ears, we will not be able to hear anything. What people are saying, we will not be able to understand. And if we are not able to hear, we will also not be able to speak, okay, because we don't know how to pronounce the words. जब हम सुन ही नहीं पाएंगे तो हम बोलेंगे कैसे, ओके. जब आप अपने मम्मी पापा की बातों को सुनते हैं, वही बात आप रिपीट करते हैं, राइट. व्हेन यू हियर योर पेरेंट्स, योर टीचर्स, दे से समथिंग व्हेन यू आर स्मॉल बेबी, when you hear, then only you can speak, okay. So hearing is also a very important sense organ. Now number 3 is we smell with our nose. How do we smell? With our nose, okay. हम कैसे स्मेल करते हैं? अपने नोज से, राइट. एंड इफ़ वी डोंट हैव अ नोज, और इफ़ आर दिस सेंस ऑर्गन इज़ नॉट वर्किंग, मे बी यू हैव some people have a nose but they cannot smell, they don't have the power of smelling, and it is very difficult. You cannot enjoy, you cannot smell the perfume, the scent, the food also, okay, and the beautiful fragrance of the flowers also, you cannot smell them. It is very sad part, okay, if you are not able to smell. And then The sense organ number 4 is we taste with our tongue. Our tongue. What do we do with our tongue? We speak and we also taste. Okay, if you're not able to taste, then you cannot enjoy the food. Why do you like the chocolate? Why do you like the chips? Why do you like cold drink, chow mein, pizza? Why do you like all this? Because you are able to taste them. If your tongue is there but you are not able to taste, then it is absolutely useless. Okay, if you cannot enjoy your food. Okay, now number 5 is we feel with our skin, and number 5 is touch or feel. Okay, when your mummy touches you, when if you are angry or if you are sorry about something, and if sometimes your parents scold you but later on they come and hug you also. मम्मी पापा कई बार हमें डांट देते पर बाद में आके हमें गले लगा के प्यार करते. When we are sick, they our mummy and papa, they take care of us. Okay, they touch us and they check our temperature. हमारे temperature को, हमारे fever को check करते ना, छू छू के बार बार देखते हैं. And that is very important. Touch is very important sense organ. If we are not, some people are paralyzed. They cannot experience the sense organ of टच. दे कैन नॉट एक्सपीरियंस टच. उनको नहीं पता चलता कि कौन उनको छू रहा है या वो किसी को छू पा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो पैरालाइज्ड हैं और उनका कोई भी कुछ काम नहीं करता और वो कुछ भी टच को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करते. एंड इट इज़ वेरी सैड. ओके, नाउ दीज वर द वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट sense organs that we just read and I explained it to you. Now let us quickly revise again the sense organs. Number 1 was eyes. We see with our eyes. Okay. Number 2 is ears. We hear with our ears. Number 3 is nose. We smell with our nose. Number 4 is tongue. We taste with our tongue. And number 5 is skin or touch. We feel. Okay, we feel when you if you have a pet and when you come from outside and you try that pet comes to you wagging its tail, a dog or a cat, and you touch it and you take the pet in your arms, your maybe your dog or maybe your cat. So what happens? They feel it, they experience it, and they like it. Okay, now these are very important sense organs. And now what I want to tell you, that in these days while we are experiencing this virus, coronavirus, right, what is happening? This coronavirus is affecting our lungs, and because of it, it is also affecting our sense organs. Did you hear the doctor say that what are the symptoms of coronavirus? Sometimes when people are having coronavirus, they are not able to smell, they are not able to taste. Both these sense organs are not working. इस कोरोना वायरस के टाइम में हम कई बार, बहुत से लोग जो बीमार हो रहे हैं वो टेस्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, वो स्मेल भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Okay, so see, and it is very difficult if you are not able to taste or smell anything. It is very boring and it is not good. We don't feel good. So I hope children you have understood this lesson. It is a very important lesson about our body, about different parts of our body, internal, external parts of the body, and how our internal organs are and how our external organs are. Our internal organs are our brain, lungs, stomach, and heart. Okay, and how they work and what do they do. And then we have the sense organs, our eyes, our ears, our nose, tongue, and skin. I hope children you have enjoyed this lesson. God bless you and take care. And don't forget to thank God for all these organs and also our sense organs. God bless you children and take care.